बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज मैं आपको बताने जा रही हूँ उन प्लांट्स के नाम, उन पौधों के नाम जिनका जिक्र कुरान पाक में हुआ है। Islam is the most complete religion which presents the elasticity to respond to new technologies and complete way for living. In Islam, ethical techniques of biomedical ethics are linked with Holy Quran and Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The present study is part checklist of medicinal plant and their uses listed in Holy Quran. मैं आपको बताने जा रही हूँ कुरान पाक में जिन जिन प्लांट्स का जिक्र हुआ है उनके इस्तेमालात भी बताऊंगी, मेडिसिनल यूजेस और इनके नाम भी बताऊंगी। सबसे पहले है जिंजिबर ऑफिसिनेल रूजेसी। जिंजर इसका उर्दू में, इसका अरेबिक नेम है जंजाबिल, इसका इंग्लिश नेम है जिंजर और इसका फैमिली नेम है जिंगिब्रेसी। और इसका पार्ट कौन सा यूज़ होता है, इसकी रूट यूज़ होती है। डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ये कहाँ कहाँ पाए जाते हैं, बांग्लादेश, यमन, ओमान, इंडिया और पाकिस्तान में ये अदरक पाई जाती है। इसकी केमिकल कंस्टिट्यूएंट में क्या है, कैरोटीनॉइड, फ्लेवोनॉइड, सिनामिक एसिड, बेंजोइक एसिड, फोलिक एसिड, एसिड, टोकोट्रिनोइल, बेटा कैरोटीन, एस्कॉर्बिक एसिड, अल्फा टोकोफिरोल, टर्पिनोइड, अल्काकोलाइड, पॉलीफिनोल, फ्लेवोनेन, ग्लाइकोसाइड्स, रूटिन। Medicinal uses of ginger officinal use in nausea, respiratory disorder, cardiovascular health and rheumatic disorder. It also used in immunomodulatory properties and is reported to inhibit various inflammatory mediators such as prostaglandin and pro-inflammatory cytokines. Ginger has an anti-inflammatory property. Ginger in reference from the Holy Quran. The second name is Vitis vinifera. Urdu name is grape. Arabic name inab, English name grape, Urdu name angur, family Vitiaceae. Distribution कहाँ हुई है, cultivated throughout India. Part use fruits, leaf. इसके fruit और इसका leaf use होता है। Medicinal uses of grapes: anemia, asthma, blood pressure, cough, fever, bronchi, burning sensation, general debility, jaundice, kidney disease. Reference from the Holy Quran. The next plant is olive. Arabic name zaytun, English name olive, Urdu name zaytun, family Oleaceae. Distribution found in Central Asian countries. Part use fruit and oil. Medicinal uses of oil. Olive oil was recognized an important component of healthy. Several epidemiological studies have shown that the incidence of olive leaves can be used as folk remedy for combating fevers and other diseases such as malaria. The olive, reference from the Holy Quran. Next plant is anar. Arabic name is rumman, English name is pomegranate and Urdu name is anar. Medicinal uses of anar. It has several activities: antioxidant activity, cytotoxic activity and anti-inflammatory activities and many others. Reference from the Holy Quran. Next plant is basil. Arabic name rehan, English name sweet basil or basil, Urdu name is tulsi. Medicinal uses of basil. Reference from the Holy Quran. Next plant is cucumber. Arabic name kissa, English name cucumber, Urdu name Khira. Medicinal uses: it is anti-genosis and anti-tumor activity, and tonifying action of liver and kidneys. Reference from the Holy Quran. Next plant is date palm, Arabic name Nihal. Rutab, English name date palm, Urdu name khajur. Medicinal uses: dates improve bone health, help regulate cholesterol, improve heart health, regulate blood pressure, promote brain health, benefit for skin, prevent inflammation, good for constipation, and treat diarrhea. Reference from the Holy Quran. Next plant is garlic, Arabic name Som, English name garlic, Urdu name lasan. Medicinal uses of garlic: reference from the Holy Quran. Next plant is banana, Arabic name moz, English name banana, Urdu name kela. Medicinal uses of banana: reference from the Holy Quran. Next plant is injeer, Arabic name teen, English name fig, Urdu name injeer. Medicinal uses of injeer: reference from the Holy Quran. That's all about plants which are mentioned in the Holy Quran. Thank you.